Hello to Near the Speed of Light. Today we're going to talk about special abilities that shuttles have in the game. Near the Speed of Light is an asymmetric competition between a big number of mobile players and web players who are trying to defeat one or two outsized VR players. The team of mobile players controls a swarm of shuttles. They use those shuttles to collect stars and bring them to a portal. VR players have relativistic lightsabers and black hole guns, and they use them to stop the swarm of shuttles from collecting all the stars within the given amount of time. Now, shuttles have different special abilities. Some of those abilities are offensive, meaning they can attack VR players. Other abilities help to easier collect stars and advance through tough parts of the game. The team of mobile players needs to try different strategies about which combination of shuttles they have to use in order to defeat VR players more effectively. For this reason, the game has a big variability of scenarios and potential replayability. No two games will look the same. The game has four types of shuttles: Neutrino, Magnetar, Quasar, and Supernova. As you guessed it, these shuttles are meant to ignite more of students' curiosity toward these concepts in physics. Every time a player wants to use a special ability, he or she needs to earn this right by flying through the playfield and reaching the opposite portal 3 times. You can track this progress by seeing how a quarter circle around your special abilities button gradually fills up in the bottom right corner. Notice that this is different from speed boosts, which are all available to everyone at any time. Let's start with Supernova. The Supernova shuttle is designed to explode, you guessed it, a supernova and blind your opponent. The explosion gives a powerful flash followed by a shockwave, like in other visceral science experiences. However, you need to explode your shuttle close enough to a VR player in order to blind him. Otherwise, he'll just see a big explosion without being incapacitated. Other shuttles can use this moment of VR's temporary weakness in order to sneak around him to the portal. The next is Quasar. Real quasars happen in the cores of galaxies, and they are capable of producing enormously powerful jets of energy that can fry planets and stars and even other galaxies. In our experience, the Quasar special ability produces a powerful jet that can stun a VR opponent to the point that he will barely be able to understand what is going on around him. The trick is, to achieve this, you need to hit a VR player precisely, but the upside is that you can do it from any distance. The next ability is Magnetar. Magnetars are special types of neutron stars with super powerful magnetic field. In our game, we used magnetars to magnetically collect stars from hard to reach places. Magnetars are useful mules to carry a lot of stars, but they are very vulnerable, and other shuttles, like Supernova and Quasars, need to cover them when they carry the precious cargo near a VR player. Lastly, Neutrino. Neutrino is a particle that can pass through any object practically unimpeded. Because they are nearly massless and electrically neutral, they can go through you, me, the planet Earth, everything. Similarly, in our game, neutrino shuttles can fly through any object without crashing, and for this reason they can reach the most blocked places. Naturally, they can also fly through the body of VR players. These are various choices that a mobile team has to develop its strategies. One more thing that we probably need to mention is an extra ability that VR players have to balance it out. Besides their relativistic lightsabers, VR players have a gun that can shoot black holes. These black holes can completely distort trajectories of shuttles in their vicinity, and in addition, they swallow buildings in the playfield. This is a powerful tool in the arsenal of VR players, but it has two downsides. First, it has a cooldown. You need to wait until you can shoot a black hole again. And second, the fewer buildings are left in the playfield, the easier it is for the shuttles to maneuver and achieve their goal. Please go ahead and enjoy Near the Speed of Light. And don't forget to try all the special abilities together with your teammates.